Hey, it's Blair Lawrence for Blair's Cooking with Qualifers. Today I'm talking about Barnier's Normandy Sea Salt Caramels. Now these caramels are just such that perfect mix of sweet and salty. It's so good. Now it comes in this 100-gram bag here, but they also have a 1 kilogram bag as well. And it's really great gift packaging. It's kind of cute. And the actual individual caramels, let me grab one here for you, have this kind of like retro look to them, don't they? They're really, really neat. Now you're gonna wanna wear your good teeth for these for sure. They're not hard, they're not rock hard like that. It's more that they're really, really chewy. But that's what's so nice about them. They really last long when you're chewing on them. Now, it's Normandy sea salt sprinkled on buttery, rich caramel. It's so good, eh? Now they use all pure butter and milk and sugar products. There's no artificial flavors in here. It's just such a nice decadent caramel. Even if you bought the big 1 kilogram bag, could you imagine making caramel candy apples with it? Oh, so good. They're absolutely so delicious. So you can get these candies and many others at Qualifers at www.qualifers.com. I really, really like these ones, but again, I love that sweet and savory taste. Just such a beautiful, rich, decadent caramel. Again, www.qualifers.com. Thanks.